Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare Grocery Allowance Card, benefits guide step by step clearly. To activate your Medicare Grocery Allowance Card, start by reviewing the materials you received in the mail. Look for any instructions regarding activation. Ensure you have your Medicare number handy, as you will need it during the process. Visit the official Medicare website. Navigate to the section dedicated to benefits or the Grocery Allowance Program. Locate the activation link or button specifically for the Grocery Allowance Card. Click on the link to start the activation process. Fill in the required information, including your full name, date of birth, and Medicare number. Double-check all information for accuracy to avoid any delays. Submit your activation request. You may receive a confirmation message acknowledging your request. If you do not receive confirmation, check your spam or junk email folder. Next, wait for your grocery allowance card to arrive in the mail, which typically takes a few weeks. Once you receive your card, read any accompanying materials carefully. This will provide important information about how to use your card and the eligible grocery items. Make sure to understand the monthly allowance amount and the expiration date of the card. Visit the nearest participating grocery store to start using your card. Remember to inform the cashier that you will be using your grocery allowance card for your purchase. Ensure that your purchases are within the eligible categories listed in the materials. Keep receipts for any transactions made with your card for future reference. This will ensure you have documentation in case of any discrepancies. If you have any questions after activation, contact Medicare Customer Service for assistance. Using your grocery allowance card can significantly benefit your overall well-being. Take advantage of this program to improve your nutrition and access to healthy food options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.